Welcome to Quiz Knowledge Entertainment. This is our online quiz channel. Let's learn something new today.
So you have to guess 35 birds in 5 seconds and one correct answer will give you 1 point. Now let's start.
First of all, please subscribe our Quiz Knowledge Entertainment channel and press the bell button for more exciting quizzes.
So can you guess this bird with the big beak? Let's see the answer. Yes, it's a pelican. So can you guess the name of this bird? It's an iconic bird of Antarctica. Yes, it's penguin. So can you guess the name of this bird? It's very familiar one. Yes, it's a pigeon. Can you guess the name of this colorful bird with a lovely head and a long tail? Yes, it's pheasant. Yes, we have found another tiny cute bird. Yes, it's Putu. It's raven, quail. Now can you guess the name of this bird? It's not that common, but it's called rail. Can you guess the name of this pretty bird? Yes, you are right. It's Rallidae. So can you guess this bird? It looks like a sprinter. It's Roadrunner. Can you tell us the name? Yes, it's a robin. Now can you guess the name of this aquatic bird? It loves eating fishes. Yes, it's a spoonbill. Can you guess this tiny bird? Yes, it's a sandpiper. It's one of the most familiar birds we all know. Yes, you're right. It's a sparrow. Can you guess this bird? It's a skylark. Can you guess the name of this colorful bird? Yes, it's a starling. It's a stork. It's a swan. Can you guess the name of this flying bird? Yes, it's a swallow. Can you guess the name of this small bird? Yes, it's a tailor bird. This is such a lovely bird. Can you guess the name of this aquatic bird? You are right, it's a teal. Can you guess this bird? It's so nice and pretty. Yes, it's thrush. So can you guess the name of this bird with the majestic beak? Yes, you are right. It's toucan. Can you guess the name of this bird? Its name is similar to that of a country. Yes, you're absolutely right. It's turkey. Can you guess the name of this bird? It's a predator as well. It's a vulture. It's a wagtail. It's a weaver bird. With a peculiar habit and having a strongest beak in the bird's world? You are right, it's a woodpecker. Can you guess the name of this small bird? It's so tiny and so pretty. Yes, it's wren. It's the fastest animal in the world. Yes, it's peregrine falcon. Can you guess the name of this tall bird with the sharp beak? Yes, it's a flamingo. This bird is so pretty. A sport equipment has been named after this bird. Yes, it's kookaburra. Can you guess this most familiar bird? Yes, it's a white goose. Can you guess this bird? It's bald eagle. And you are correct, it's a hawk.
Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe Quiz Knowledge Entertainment channel to get new and more exciting videos like this. Don't forget to press the bell button by the side of the subscription notice.